If you're tired of scooping cat litter every day, the Pet Max 2 might be the game changer you need. This automatic self-cleaning litter box promises a hands-free experience, multiple cleaning modes, and smart app control. But does it actually deliver? Let's break it down. The Max 2 features a newly upgraded cylinder structure with improved sealing to prevent leaks, minimize odor, and reduce cleaning hassle. The high-performance litter mat is waterproof, anti-stick, and scratch-resistant, keeping your floors clean while extending durability. One of the biggest perks? Completely hands-free cleaning. With auto, manual, timer, and empty modes, you can set everything up through your smartphone app. No more touching messy panels. The 7L waste bin means you get up to 15 days of scoop-free convenience, making it perfect for busy pet owners or short trips. Plus, it works with all kinds of clumping litter. The smart app control gives you real-time insights into your cat's weight, bathroom habits, and usage frequency, helping you monitor their health. It even automatically identifies different cats based on weight, making it ideal for multi-cat households. When it comes to safety, this litter box is fully equipped. 7 infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors detect your cat's presence, ensuring cleaning only happens when it's safe. An anti-pinch structure keeps the entrance open, so no chance of your cat getting stuck. For multi-cat homes, the 76-liter spacious interior comfortably fits cats between 3.3 pounds to 22 pounds, and the low-entry design makes it easy for older or short-legged cats to step in and out. Plus, the sealed waste bin and N52.0 odor control system help trap smells, keeping your home fresh and clean. So is the Pet Kit Max 2 worth it? If you want a hassle-free, odor-controlled, and smart self-cleaning litter box, this one is packed with features to make your life easier. Would you try it for your cat? Let me know in the comments. Check the description for the best deals.